Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to find viral video on YouTube. But before that, if you haven't subscribed already, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. Okay, so the first question is how to find a viral video, and the most important question is actually why we wanted to find a viral video. This is probably the best answer for this particular question. It is simple as you want to get a views, okay? Because if you can find a viral video, you can find a viral topic, chances are you will be able to jump on the trending topic, and then chances are at the end of the day you are also going to get some portion of that views for that any particular search term on YouTube. All right, so let's jump right on it. For example, if I was type in how to cook a steak, so you can see a bunch of results appear on the search term. So the best part, or the one of the criteria to find a viral video, is you need to find a video with way more views than the subscriber itself. For example, this one can consider as a viral video. So this video has 5.6 million views, but the subscriber base is only below than 1 million. This is considered as a viral video. So this one also a viral video here, 24 million views, but the subscriber is only 38,000 only, right? So let's find more about viral video. I just wanted to share with you some overview or some example what type of viral video is. Okay, this one is crazy guys, 5 million views, but the subscribers just 17,000. This one also a viral video as well, 147, and the subscribers is only 7,000. And how to actually get more precise or to find out whether or not this is actually a current trend, you can also filter by this month, right? So let's filter it by this month, and I also going to filter it by view counts, so that we can actually see this is actually a trending topic right now that currently happens, right? So let's say this one is just uploaded 5 days ago, 1.4 million views, and the subscriber is only 299,000. This one insane guys, 734,000 views, but the subscriber is only 3,000. Let's take a look at this one over here. So this is actually the type of viral videos that you want to write on. So if you can find this, actually regardless of whatever topic that you are in, if you are in cooking, relationship, make money online, you can also doing the exact same thing. So what you need to do is literally just type in your particular search term that you are in, and then take a look at this criteria. You need to ensure that the videos has views more than the subscriber itself, right? So let's take a look at the channel. So I'm pretty sure most of the views, most of the video on this channel is below than, I don't know, maybe below than 10,000, below than 1,000. Okay, let's sort by videos and let's take a look and the overall of the views for this video. This one is 5,000, 24,000. This one uploaded 6 days ago. This one 2 weeks ago. This one kind of like viral as well. So 6,000, 1,000, 23,000. So on average, I would say this channel, on average, the video on this channel is only getting like 7,000 views. But this one over here gone really viral, almost 1 million views within a couple of weeks. Actually 5 days ago if I'm not mistaken, and the channel only has 3,000 subscribers. This is actually the type of views or the type of viral content, viral video that you want to look up on YouTube. All right, so because if you can ensure that particular search term is viral, what you're going to do next is just replicate and create similar content if you are in this kind of niche. Okay, so that is why I said you can literally find any type of niche that you are in, and then try to do the exact same thing that I show you here. And another one important thing is how to find viral video is actually to find the current hot topic. All right, for example, if I'm mistaken, now everyone talking about the Earth tool, right? So Earth tool, let's take a look at the result. So let's take a look at this one over here. Okay, this one, this is from the Earth tool channel itself. The subscriber is only almost 10,000, but the views is 77k. So this one is only 568k, right? So was uploaded 1 month ago. So this is type of viral videos. This one crazy. So most of the videos on this channel is gone viral right now guys. So if you want to jump on this term or this trend, you can also doing that. Okay, so this one is not viral, so you need to ensure that the views count is way more than the subscriber itself. Okay, so that is how you can find a viral videos. So guys, I hope you can enjoy, and this is a very simple method. What you need to do is just type in your particular keyword, your keyword in your niche, and then you can actually doing this as well. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, how to make full-time income online, click my first link in my description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.